शहद, शहद मीन्स हनी। नीचे चित्र में क्या है बच्चों? मटर। Yes, in English we call green peas, right? Matar. I want all my children to pronounce the word matar. Matar. See, while pronouncing three letter sounds are coming, right? The first letter sound ma, t, r. Matar. Ma, t, r. Matar. Shahad. Matar. The next picture, Kamal. Kamal. I want all my children to repeat after me. Kamal. K, M, L. Kamal. K, M, L. कमल। कमल मीन्स लोटस। नीचे चित्र में देखिए, नीचे चित्र में क्या है? क्या है? सड़क। सड़क मीन्स रोड। सड़क। I want all my children to pronounce the word सड़क। सड़क। स, ड, क। सड़क। One more time. स, ड, क. Sadak. Yes, children. These four letters we learn. These two means three letter words we learn the last session, right? In today's class, ma'am is going to teach you char akshar shabd. Char means four. Akshar means letter. Shabd means word. Okay, dears. Now we are going to learn four letter words which doesn't have any matra. Okay, which doesn't have any matra. Yes. Can you see the first picture? Yes, there's lots of flowers, plants, trees, grass. Yes, children? Yes, what is this? This is a garden, right? This is a garden. In Hindi, garden को क्या बोलते हैं पता है आपको? उपवन। क्या बोलते हैं? उपवन। उ, प, व, न। उपवन। गार्डन को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? उपवन। I want all my children to repeat after me. Upvan. See, the first letter will be U. U. Second letter P. Third letter V. Fourth letter N. When we are adding these four letters, we are getting Uppavan word, right? Uppavan. I want all my children to repeat after me. Uppavan. Uppavan. Uppavan means garden. U, U, P, V, N. Uppavan. One more time. U, P, V, N. What is this? Uppavan. Right, dears? Right. नीचे चित्र में क्या है? Juice, right? In Hindi we call sharbat. Sharbat. See, I want all my children to pronounce the word sharbat. Sharbat. While pronouncing, how many letter sounds are coming, dears? Sharbat. Four letter sound, right? This is the first letter sh. Sh. Second letter r. Sh, r. What is the third letter? B. B. Fourth letter T. Shar, B, T. Sharbat. We have to join these four letters. Okay, dears, we have to join this four letter sound. Sh, R, B, T. Sharbat. Sharbat. Yes, dears. I want all my children to repeat after me. Sh, R, B, T. Sharbat. One more time. Sh, r, b, t. Sharbat. Yes, dear. Sharbat means juice. Okay. What is the first picture? Upavan. U, p, v, n. उपवन. एंड नीचे चित्र में क्या है? शरबत. श, र, ब, त. शरबत. ओके डियर्स. उपवन, शरबत. ओके. Shall we move to the next picture? Yes. What is this, dear? Flask. Right? This is a flask. In Hindi, what we call? Thermos. Thermos. I want all my children to repeat after me. Th, r, m, s. Thermos. Thermos. One more time. Th, r, m, s. Thermos. Thermos means flask. Yes, dear. One more time. Or see, while pronouncing thermos, r sound is coming, right? R, m, s. Thermos. Yes, dear. Thermos. Thermos means flask. Thermos. I want all my children to repeat after me. Thermos. T, r, m, s. Thermos. Thermos. Yes, children. Can you नीचे चित्र में क्या है? This is an insect, right? You know what insect is this? Bed bug. Okay, wow. Bed bug. Khatmal. In Hindi we called khatmal. Khatmal. I want all my children to repeat after me. Khatmal. See, while pronouncing this first letter kh, the air should come outside. Khatmal. Yes. Khat. Khat. Ma. L. Khatmal. I want all my children to repeat after me. K, t, ma, l. Khatmal. One more time. One more time, dears. K, t, ma, l. Khatmal. Khatmal means bed bug. Okay, dears. Khatmal. Kh, th, t, ma, l. Khatmal. Okay, dears. Shall we repeat one more time? I want all my children to repeat after me. Upavan. U, p, v, n. Upavan. Upavan means garden. Upavan. नीचे चित्र में क्या है? शरबत. श, र, ब, त. शरबत. Sharbat. Third one, thermos. Thermos. थर्मस. नीचे चित्र में क्या है बच्चों? खटमल. खटमल. ख, ट, म, ल. खटमल. Okay, dears. I want all my children to practice at home. Okay. Now we are going to learn Amatra Shabd. Okay, dears? Amatra Shabd. Okay. What is the first letter? What is the first letter in the swer? A. Yes, dear. What is the first letter? A. We doesn't have any matra for that. Right, dears? We doesn't have any matra for that. Okay, dears? What is the next letter? Next letter क्या है? A. Yes. A. For A. For A, how we will write the matra, dears? For A, how we will write the matra? One standing line. One standing line. Right, dear? One standing line. Now we are going to learn the A matra wale shabd. Okay, dears? I want all my children to sit straight in front of your mobile and system. Shall we start? A matra shabd. Okay, dears? I want all my children to listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay, without unmuting your mic. Okay? Yes. A की मात्रा के शब्द. Today we are going to learn A की मात्रा के शब्द. Matra means we know. A की मात्रा. This one is the A की मात्रा. Shabd means words. Okay, dears. Before that, in the last session, ma'am told you the matra jod and matra vichit. Now we are going to see with the 2 or 3 examples. Okay? Yes. Yeah, the matra jodo. What is this? Matra jodo, right? First, ma'am is going to take ka. Don't send annotation request, Satvika. Ka. Yes. Alan plus what we have to take? A, because we are going to write today's A matra wala shabd, right? A. Yes. Equal to what will come here? What will come, dears? Yes, we have to write ka. And this is a matra for A. One standing line, one standing line. Yes, yes. We have to write like this. Ka. We have to ka. Yes, student. Ka halan plus A equal to ka. Yes, student. Shall we move to with another example? Yes, the first one. Shall we take the letter? Yes. Ta alan plus now we are learning A matra wale shabd. Yes, now we are going to learn, right? So A, we have to write A. So what letter will come? First we have to write what is there in the first one. Yes, ta is there. So we have to write ta. Okay, we have to write alantadda down. No, we should not write. Then the second, what letter is this? A. Yes, we have matra for A. Right, dears? What is the A matra? Like this. This is the A ki matra, right? So we are going to add one more. So now we are going to add one more standing line. Ta. Okay, dear? Ta. We have to stretch. See, when you're going to ta, see the ending sound will be A sound. Yes? Ta. Ta. Yes? Now ma'am is going to extend with one more example, right? Now ma'am is going to take pa letter. Pa. Yes? Pa. Now what we are doing? We are adding the matras, right, children? Pa, halan plus A. We have to take A. Then what will come here? Which letter will come? First we have to write the first letter Pa, but we should not write halan. This is half Pa and this is full Pa. Okay, dears, we should know the difference between Pa halan and Pa. Okay, yes. And what is this there in the second one? We have swar. Okay, we have swar. How we write a ki matra? We are adding on add one standing line. Yes, children, in every swar, what we are adding? We are adding the vyanjan. Pa is the vyanjan, right? This is the vyanjan and this is the swar. Yes, pa. Yes, this is the swar matra and this is vyanjan, right, children? Pa. I want all my children to repeat after me. Pa, halant plus a. What will get? Pa. Pa. Yes, children. I hope you all understood. Now we are going to see the matra viched. What we are going to see? Matra viched. Matra viched means we have to split and write. Okay. Now ma'am is going to give. Suppose ma'am is giving to give a letter. T. Okay, va? T. I will give like this. What we have to do? We have to split and write. You have to, what we have to do? We have to do the matra viched. Matra viched means you have to separate. You have to split and write. Okay. First, what we will write? What letter we have? The letter. Yes. So we have to write the letter, and we should not forget to write halant at the bottom. Yes, children. Halant, jama. For this letter, we have matra. Yes, children. We have matra. Yes. What is that? We have, this is matra, right? This is matra. Which letter matra is that? Yes, dear. A ki matra, right? So we are writing here. A. Yes, dear. I know. Yes. Yes. Very good, dear. A. I know. I hope you all understood, right, dears? We are split and wrote, right? What we did, we wrote split and wrote. Yes, dear. Shall we move to the next example with one more example? Now, ma'am is going to take the letter. Okay, the. I want to all my children to mute your mic, dears. The. Okay. How we are going to split and write? First, we have to write this letter. Okay, the. And what we have to write? We have to write halant, jama. We have matra. Yes, dear. We have a matra. कौन किसका matra है ये? A की matra, right? A की matra. So we have to write a. We have to write a. Yes, children. What we did? We splitted and wrote. Yes. The को हमने क्या किया? उसको अलग करके लिखा. अलग means separate. We are splitted and wrote. Okay, dears. Okay, this is a matra viched. Yes, now we are going to learn the a matra wale shabd. Okay, a. I want all my children sit straight. Clap your hands. Hands up. Hands down. Yes, sit straight. Yes, children, can you see the first picture? पहला पिक्चर में क्या है? पहला पिक्चर में क्या है बच्चों? स्टार. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं पता है आपको? तारा. I want all my children to repeat after me. तारा. Tara. See, we have to stretch the two letters. Tara. Tara. See, if you will not split, no, what will come? Tara. Tarava? No. We have to stretch and tell. Tara. See, here. Ta mein, what is there? A ki matra. Ta. Jama. आ की मात्रा त. फिर उसके बाद क्या है? र. कौन सा लेटर है ये? र. यस. अब वी आर स्ट्रेचिंग, राइट? रा. व्हाट साउंड इज कमिंग? आ साउंड इज कमिंग, राइट डियर्स? रा. सो वी रोट द आ की मात्रा, राइट? ता. Ra. Tara. I want all my children to repeat after me. Tara. Can you mute yourself, dears? Can you mute yourself? Tara. What is this? This is a Tara. Tara means star. You have to stretch the two letter words. दो अक्षर को आपको stretch करके बताना है. If you are not stretching, tara will come. It is a wrong pronunciation. Tara. Okay, dears. What is this? Tara. One more time. See. We are writing ta. A sound is coming, right? We are writing a ki matra. Then ra. So we have to write ra. A ki matra. Tara. Okay, dears. स्टार को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? तारा. यस. नीचे पिक्चर में क्या है? सी दे आर शोइंग सम एरो. गले में क्या है? व्हाट इज देयर इन द नेक? इज अ गार्लैंड. यस, गार्लैंड. माला. माला. Yes, someone is disturbing the class. Kindly mute yourself, dear. थैंक यू. माला. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? जो गले में पहनते हैं क्या बोलते हैं? माला. We have to stretch and tell. Okay, see. Ma, a, la, a. Mala. If you are not stretched, now what will come? Mala. It's a wrong pronunciation. Okay, dears. Mala. We have to stretch those two letter words. See, while stretching, what is the ending sound? Ah. Yes. Ma. Yes. See. Now, ma'am is going to show you how to write. Okay. Mala. Yes. So now, ma'am is going to write ma. A sound is coming, right, dears? A, la. Don't have place. Yes. Ma, la. See, first letter la is coming, and what is the ending sound? A, right? So we have to write la. A ki matra. Ma, la. Yes, dear. I hope you all understood. Ma, la. Mala means garland. Okay. Mala. The first one is Tara. Tara means star. We have to stretch those two letters. Tara. And the second letter, second word is Mala. Sorry, dears. Mala. Mala. And the next we are going to see the next picture. Yes. What is it? Next picture में क्या है? It's a night, right dear? It's a night. Night को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? रात. क्या बोलते हैं? रात. Okay. See. Ra, jama, a. Ra. We have to stretch. Ra, t. Rat. See, if you stretch the ta, ra, ta. Rata will come. That is a wrong pronunciation. Okay, dears? We have to see. Okay? Ra, t. Rat. See, here we are getting only one letter, only one matra here. A ki matra. Yes, only one time. Yes, dear? Ra, t. Rat. Rat. Rat means night. I want all my children to repeat after me. Rat. Yes. Rat. Raat. One more time. I want all my children to repeat after me. Raat. Raat. Okay, dears. रात मीन्स what? नाइट. कैन यू सी नीचे चित्र में क्या है? नीचे चित्र में क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? ये कौन सा रंग है? कौन सा रंग है ये? काला. यस, इट्स अ ब्लैक. यस, ब्लैक को हिंदी में काला बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? काला. सी हियर. क आ का. ला में आ की मात्रा ला. काला. See here in this word, आ की मात्रा 2 बार आ रहा है. Yes, आ की मात्रा in this word we are getting आ की मात्रा 2 times. का के साथ और ला के साथ. Right? We are getting 2 आ की मात्रा. Right, dears? With का and ला. So what we have to do? We have to stretch and tell. Kala. If we are not stretching, what will come? You know, kala, kala. Yes, it is a wrong pronunciation. Okay, we have to see the matras. According to that, we have to pronounce those words. Okay, dears. Ka, ka, la, kala. One more time. Ka, la, kala. Kala means black color, right? Kala. Kala. Kala means black. Kala. What is it? What is the first picture? Raat. Right? Raat. Raat. दूसरे पिक्चर में क्या है? नीचे वाले चित्र में क्या है? काला. 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 Yes, dears. Next. See, क्या है? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इस पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी को, इस पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी को क्या बोलते हैं? नेक. इन इंग्लिश नेक इज, हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं पता है? गला. गला. I want all my children to repeat after me. गला. Gala. Shall we see how to split and how to pronounce? G. What is this letter? What is the name of this letter? G. G. And what? This is L. Yes, L. So if we suppose we are not adding a ki matra, how it is? G. L. Gul. It is a wrong pronunciation. That is, we हिंदी neck को क्या बोलते हैं? गला. What is the ending sound? A. So we have to add a की मात्रा. Okay. ग. ला में आ की मात्रा ला. गला. Yes. I want all my children to repeat after me. ग. ग. ला में आ की मात्रा ला. गला. One more time. ग. ला में आ की मात्रा ला. गला. गला means neck. Gala means what, dears? Neck. गला. ग. ला में आ की मात्रा ला. And we are adding these two letters. What we are getting? गला. Yes. गला means neck. नीचे चित्र में देखो क्या है? हैंड. यस, हैंड. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं हैंड को? हाथ. क्या बोलते हैं? हाथ. हाथ. सी बट प्रोनाउंसिंग ह. हा में आ की मात्रा. सी मैम इज प्रोनाउंसिंग हा. आ की इन हा. व्हाट इज एंडिंग साउंड? आ की मात्रा साउंड आ रहा है कि नहीं? It's coming. Yes. So we have to add a की मात्रा. हाथ. हाथ. Yes. हाथ. हा में आ की मात्रा हाथ. हाथ. हा में आ की मात्रा हाथ. हाथ. Yes, children. One more time. I want all my children to repeat after me. Ha में, what is ha में? Ha की मात्रा ha, t, ha, t, hat. See, when we are not adding a की मात्रा in ha, how we will pronounce? You know, hat, hat, hat. Hat is a wrong pronunciation. Hat. Yes, yes. I hope you all understood, and I hope all my children are repeating after me. Ha, t, ha, th, हाथ. Yes, yes. फर्स्ट पिक्चर में, पहला पिक्चर में क्या है? गला. गला मीन्स नेक. ग, ला, गला. दूसरा पिक्चर में क्या है? हाथ. राइट, हाथ. हाथ, हाथ. Yes, children. हाथ, हाथ. Yes. What is this, dear? See, ma'am is pointing something. What is this? Which is in black in color. Yes? Yes, hair. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? बाल. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? बाल. सी, बा में आ की मात्रा ब, ल, बाल. बाल मीन्स hair. Okay, dears? ब में आ की मात्रा भ, ल, भ, sorry, बाल. I want all my children to repeat after me. ब में आ की मात्रा ब, ल, पाल. Yes, dears. इन आ की मात्रा कौन सा लेटर में है? आ की मात्रा ब में है. Yes, ब. So we have to stretch the b letter. Ba. We have any matra in la? No. So you have to say lightly. Okay, l. Ba, l. Bal. Yes, dears. I hope all my children are repeating after me. Ba, ba, l. Bal. Ba, l. Bal. बाल. बाल माने क्या है बच्चों? हेयर. ओके. नीचे चित्र में देखिए, दो एरो है. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ईयर्स. राइट, इन इंग्लिश वी कॉल ईयर. इन हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं पता है आपको? कान. क्या बोलते हैं? आई वॉन्ट ऑल माय चिल्ड्रन, मैडम के साथ बोलो, कान. सी, कान. का में आ की मात्रा है. का में क्या है? आ की मात्रा. If we have आ की मात्रा, what we have to do? We have to stretch that letter. का. दूसरा लेटर क्या है? न. Yes, न. कान. आ की मात्रा कौन सा अक्षर पर है? कौन सा अक्षर में है? का में. का, न. कान. Yes, dear. का, का, न. कान. See, suppose we don't have any matra in ka mein, suppose how we will pronounce? Kan. Kan. That's the wrong pronunciation. Okay. We have to check the letter sound and matra. Okay. According to that, we have to pronounce those words. Okay. That's why ma'am is telling daily you have to know the letters and matra signs. You have to practice daily. Okay, dear? Then only it is easy to identify the letters and letter sound and the matras. Okay. Shall we repeat one more time? Yes. स्टार को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? तारा. क्या बोलते हैं? तारा. सी, ता में आ की मात्रा ता, रा में आ की मात्रा रा. आ की मात्रा दोनों अक्षर में है. वी हैव आ की मात्रा इन 2 letters. Yes, ता में भी है और रा में भी है. Yes, so we have to stretch and tell. Tara. Yes, yes. I want all my children to repeat after me. Tara. Tara. नीचे चित्र में क्या है? माला. यस, गार्लैंड. माला. मा में आ की मात्रा मा. ला में भी आ की मात्रा है. ला. दोनों अक्षर में आ की मात्रा है. यस, सो वी हैव टू स्ट्रेच दैट लेटर्स. माला. 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 यस चिल्ड्रन. तारा. माला. And the next one. Yes. इस चित्र में क्या है? इस चित्र में क्या है बच्चों? अंधेरा. Yes, we have dark. Yes, when it will be at night, right? Night को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? रात. क्या बोलते हैं? रात. Yes, dear. Dear, रा में आ की मात्रा रात. रात. आ की मात्रा कौन सा अक्षर में है? वेरू सॉरी ओनली इन रा. रा में ओनली वी हैव आ की मात्रा, सो वी हैव टू स्ट्रेच ओनली रा लेटर. रात. रात. यस, रात. 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 यस डियर्स. नीचे चित्र में क्या है? कौन सा रंग? वो कौन सा रंग है? What is the color of that circle? Black. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? काला. Yes, काला. का में आ की मात्रा का. ला में आ की मात्रा ला. Yes, आ की मात्रा कौन सा अक्षर में है? दोनों अक्षर में. का में भी है और ला में भी है. तो हमें क्या करना है? What we have to do? We have to stretch. Yes, काला. काला. Yes dear, mute your mic. काला. काला. See, suppose if we are not stretching these 2 letters, what letter will come? Kal. Kal. Yes, you know the difference when we are stretching the letters. When we are not stretching the letters, the pronunciation are changing. Right, dears? Yes. Kala. Yeah, the next picture. इस पिक्चर में इस पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी को क्या बोलते हैं? इस पार्ट को क्या बोलते हैं? नेक. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? गला. क्या बोलते हैं? गला. यस. सी. वेरू ग. Sorry. G. What is the first letter? G. We don't have any matra. Yes, G. और ला में कौन सा मात्रा है? आ की मात्रा. ला. We have to stretch only la letter. If we are stretching ga letter, what word will come? Shall we try? Gala. That is wrong pronunciation. Okay. So we should not stretch the g letter. Ga. Gala. Yes, children. Gala. Gala. Gala means neck. नीचे चित्र. Yes, dears. नीचे चित्र में क्या है? हाथ. Yes. Okay. हाथ को हम लोग कैसे स्पीक करेंगे? हाथ. One more time. हा में आ की मात्रा. हाथ. हाथ. Yes, dear. हा में आ की मात्रा. हाथ. हाथ. Yes. Yeah. Next. बाल. Yes, बाल. बाल means hair. बा में आ की मात्रा. ब. ल. We don't have Aki Matra in La. So we should not stretch. Okay, dears? Ball. Ball. नीचे चित्र में क्या है? कान. कान मीन्स ears. कान. सिर्फ का में आ की मात्रा है. सो हमें क्या करना है? का लेटर को ही स्ट्रेच करके बोलना है. क न. कान. क न. कान. Okay, dears. I want all my children to practice at home. Okay. Next class also ma'am is going to recap. Okay. I want all my children to practice at home. Okay. I hope you will do. Yes. We will meet on next session. Thank you, Jai Gurudev. You can unmute a video and say bye to your friends. Okay, dears.
Bye. Bye. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.